Hello class. Today we will be playing Kahoot before spring break.
Yaya 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 yaya. I love Kahoot. It is so fun.
That's the spirit. Anyways, first we will do an educational Kahoot. And then we will do a fun spring break Kahoot. No. I want to do the fun one first. Sorry, Victoria. But we are doing the educational one first. And you may not skip it. No. I want to do the fun one right now. Victoria Cat. If you keep complaining, you won't do Kahoot at all. Do the fun Kahoot now. No, Victoria, we are doing the educational one first. Victoria Cat Peterson, you freaking idiot. How dare you throw a rock at me? That's IT. You're expelled. And you will not be participating on the Kahoot. No. I am so sorry. Please forgive me, don't expel me, or make me miss out on the Kahoot. Too bad. So sad. Get out of this classroom now.
Victoria Cat, how dare you throw a rock at Ms Giga? That's it. You are grounded for 566,435,687,584,587,565,465,734,265 years. Which means no TV, no video games, no movies, no internet, no food you like, no fun, no life, no leaving the house, act. And we are going to force you to watch baby and little kid shows like The Little Einsteins, Teletubbies, Arthur, The Magic School Bus, Caillou, Handy Manny, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, and stuff like that.
Come on. Why are you being mean to me? Ms Giga deserved it. Plus, Easter is coming. And the punishment will be pointless because the Easter Bunny is going to give me candy and plastic eggs.
No, she is not. Because I am going to call the Easter Bunny and tell him not to give you anything. Now go to your room and don't come out until Sunday.
Yeah. Easter is here. I am going downstairs to get my candy and plastic eggs. What the heck? Why does Nina have an Easter basket and I don't?
Because we called the Easter Bunny and told him not to give you any candy or plastic eggs. But we do have a present for you in the living room.
Wait, really? Oh my. This bad boy is huge. Let's open it.
Oh my freaking gosh. I cannot freaking believe you tricked me and gave me a box of freaking coal. I'm so mad. 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 This is the worst Easter ever.
Victoria Cat Peterson. Stop your tantruming right now. You are destroying the city. I said so, why aren't you listening? Alright, that's IT. I will use Scratch Logic to make you stop. Scratch Logic activate. You are under arrest for what you did.
Hold on, I am Cecile Cat from the Cheer Cat series. I will be taking her home to punish her. O O O O O O O O O O O O O O O O O O O O H H H H H H H H H H H. Victoria Cat Peterson, how dare you destroy the city? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded until no one believes in Jesus anymore. Go outside.